Hi! Ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of never. There is no moment in the future or past. There has never been an occasion. For example, they had never been camping in their lives. The second definition of never. Not at all. For example, he never turned up. American pronunciation. Never. Never. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Never. Say. Never. Never means at no time in past or future. Never. Never. Never origin. Old English never is a combination of ne, not, and afer, ever. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. He had never told his parents and only many years later told relatives what happened. Now, repeat after me. He had never told his parents and only many years later told relatives what happened. The second practice. Nothing like this has ever happened in the area before and probably never will again. Now, repeat after me. Nothing like this has ever happened in the area before and probably never will again.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.